First of all, thanks for having me. My name is Assaf, Luxembourg. Those of you who don't know me, I have a business that is entirely devoted to promoting Israel beyond the conflict, beyond politics, with people from all over the world. So aside of being a Startup Nation ambassador, which is something that I do, I also devote a lot of my work to connect young professionals to Israel in new, empowering, and value-adding ways. And that's where internship programs in general come in for me, and that's where Onward Israel comes in for me in particular. And the big O word for me, aside of Onward, is the word that you all said, which is opportunity. And I think opportunity is really the key word here. And I have had the chance to see not only participants understand that they can transcend the experience and turn it into a real career value-based opportunity. That is amazing by itself. But also to understand that as an employer and to see other employers who understand that there is a real opportunity here. It's not just participating in this program called Onward Israel, but literally turn it into a unique and valuable asset for almost any employer. And I had the chance and the honor of working with interns from various programs in the government and big corporations, where I had an experience of being the person who brought this into the company. And I've got to see it in a lot of startups. So I've seen it across the board. So for me personally, this is also an opportunity to say thank you. First of all, for Ilan and the team for doing a lot of work in putting this together. For all the program operators, with many of whom I work down there in the trenches in making this thing work in practice, so thank you too. And to the employers, especially the ones who understand that this is a real opportunity, especially in today's evolving world of work. But most importantly, I would like to thank the donors and the Shapiro family in particular. There's a donor that had a real influence in my life, and that donor is known for saying that we as donors, we make it possible, but you operators, you make it happen. So to reverse that, we are all in a way soldiers in the same army, and our job is to make it happen. But you, my friends, you make it possible. So for that, and for the opportunity personally, to be able to devote my life for something that is so epic and so amazing, I want to say thank you. So here's to the opportunity for all the amazing things we could and should and will do in the future, because they're big. Thank you very much.
Thank you.